How to remove two-step verification on Google account. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to remove or turn off two-step verification in your Google account. Now go to Play Store. After you open Play Store, tap on this profile. After you open profile, go to this Google account. In this section, now scroll to left and go to security. If you come to this security, now tap on the profile at the top. Now select the Google account you want to remove or you want to turn off its two-step verification. After you select the Google account, now scroll to down. As you can see now here it says two-step verification. So tap on this first option. So after you tap on this two-step verification, allow it now to finish loading. So it will take you to this option here. It says two-step verification. Your account is protected with two-step verification. So tap on this option to turn off. So now tap on this turn off again. So now it turn it off. So as you can see it says two-step verification turn on, means that now I turn off my two-step verification. That's it guys on how to turn off or how to remove two-step verification in Google account. Don't forget to like and subscribe.